morning, sir, madam. I am Helen Baclagon. I am 35 years old. I am married. We are in a family. We are 6 in the families. I am second to the youngest. I graduated high school. I am Catholic, and I have working here in the Philippines as a domestic helper. My job is cleaning the house, cook simple food, and I am willing to learn cooking Chinese food. I go to market, wash dishes and clothes, mop the floor. I prepare school uniform for kids and help team in assignment. My hobbies is watching TV, listening music, and cooking. I want to learn abroad because I want to have a better future for my family. I can sing and song for the kids. Madam and sir, if you choose me as one of your helper, I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, patient, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I hope see you soon, Madam and Sir. Thank you.